Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening on the different time zones. Um it's been couple of days, rather weeks, that I've not been able to share some more insights with you guys. I was a little tied up and there were multiple deliverables that I had to cater on. Uh, but now I quickly wanted to share with you guys some insights related to the roles, custom roles with respect to the AI agents. So I've got multiple DMs and multiple messages from the consultants to share the insights on the roles and privileges. So as you can see my screen, this is the main homepage of Oracle when you log in, right? So when you log in, you come to tools, and then for AI Agent Studio, you click on this box, but I'll show you the role side. So we'll go on to the security console. Most of the consultants might know what security console is. And for other people, security console is where your roles, privileges, your users, everything is defined. I've already defined a role already. I had actually made a video on this, but unfortunately my recording was not working. So I couldn't record my screen. But any case, I'll quickly take you through this role. This is what the role that I had created, right? So we'll go on to edit role. I'll show you step by step. This is what the name is. This is what the role code is. I've taken this as a role category. The other thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is whenever you start the role, there is a new thing that has come up which says enable permission groups. So that enable permission group button needs to be clicked on, and that is probably for you to enable your permissions for you to make changes to the deep link or the business objects related to the AI agents, right? We go on to the next step. You can see that there are 8 steps above this. We don't touch this. Then we come on to the permission groups. We've already done that. You don't touch this. Then we come on to the security roles. Nothing to be done here. Then we go on to the role hierarchy. Just taking time. Okay. So in the role hierarchy, you see there are two tabs. Earlier, before 25C, there was only one tab, roles and privileges. But now, post 25C update, there is another tab which is roles and permission groups. So under the roles and privileges group, you click on add role, add this role, so that you have the privilege or you have the access to the AI agents with respect to the HCM module. Similarly, when you go on to this, the new tab, then you add this as a role there, and you simply have to click on add role and then search for this, and then you can just select this and add role membership. Very easy step. Once you've done this, you click on save and your role has been created. Now, once your role has been created, you go on to the user. Since I've logged in from this user, I'll search this user, open this user, and then when this gets open, you just click on edit, add that newly created role here, and just click on save. Now you're done. Eventually, now you have the access to the AI agent studio. Otherwise, if you didn't had this role created and added to the user, whenever you go on to the AI agent studio, the home page opens, but then whenever you try to run any AI agent, you're not able to run that AI agent because it will say that you don't have the access or the AI agent is not available at this point in time. right? And that is because you don't have the rule. This is the homepage of the AI Agent Studio. I've shown this in my previous videos as well. I'll go into the agent team. I've created an agent team yesterday, and I don't really know the name, but then let me see if there is something in the draft that I wanted to show you guys. There is nothing in the draft. Okay, I used one of the AI agents employee details. I use this. Let me go to the agent teams and see assisting managers. Yes, so this is the one that I created, testing agent. I used I used this template. This template had 13 tools in it. I guess 10 or 11 were the deep links and 2 were the business objects. So I created all of them, and then this is what the agent team is. Let's try to run this. Let it open. I'll show you. You see, there are 13 tools in this. All these are deep links. These two are business objects, right? So there are multiple deep links. Let's try to run this. I'll quickly show you. Okay, so let us first just start randomly. I know hi is not an reply here, but then let's start generally. Hi, how can I assist you today? Give me, sorry, give me information on the employee number 123. Let's just see if there is any employee with the number 123, and let's just see which tool. You see it has kicked in testing agent 13, which is a deep link, which is a business object, and it has given the employee with the number 123 Alexander Robert, known as this. This is the email ID, and this is the username. Okay, now we'll ask, give me his person number. We already have. Give me his um, phone number. Let's just see which tool does this pick up. It picks up the same. I couldn't find a phone number listed. Okay, now we'll see that how does the deep link works, right? um, Give me the link to see his personal record. Okay, now it has gone to the deep link, you see, and now it will give me a deep link. You see, you can view and manage Alexander Roberts personal record and assignment through this link. Let me click this link. It is opening up. You see, it has taken me to the change assignment page. Okay, coming back to this again. Give me link. Give me the link to his um, employment record. Just randomly writing something. Let's just see what deep link does it picks up, and what does it show. Again, it has picked up this, and now it will give me the deep link employment record through this link. I guess it will again lead me to the change assignment. Yeah. So you see, this is how it works. Okay, give me show you guys that this is how the inbuilt template works. And then if you don't, if your agent doesn't work, then you need to have some predefined rules set up, and I have the details of the roles and privileges that have to be set up for the agents to work. For human capital management, it is a different role. For supply chain management, it is a different role. For others, it is a different role. So this is how it works, right? So if your agent is not working, so probably your role is not defined. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening to this. I will be coming up with a new video in the forthcoming week, which will might be on developing or using some existing template, and I'll also update you on the new updates given to us by Oracle in